Hey everyone, this week we're taking a look at beautiful van builds with garage spaces that are spec'd out for their adventure needs. So let's not waste any time and get right into Joelle's garage with her mountain bikes.
Hi, my name is Joelle and this is my van, Popo. And so this is my garage. This is my favorite part of my van. This is the reason why I have a van. And so this is my headboard. I drew some stuff like with the burning pen, of some sports that I'm doing. And this is the water tank. I have a 120 liter of potable, drinking water, and including the hot water tank. Here I have my shower that I can just put this out and take a shower here. I have hot water in the back as well. My tank is stainless. Over there I have more storage, you saw it under the bed. And over there I have a little trap to have access of my water system, like my hot water tank and more stuff. Here, the slide out bike rack. That was the top reason that I built my van. So the two other reason was I wanted to be able to cook while looking outside and having a fridge at my eye level. But this was the first reason. So it's easy to take my bike outside, out of the rack here. Right now I'm actually we're changing season, so I still have a snowboard here. But yeah, usually in the summer I would have another bike of a friend here, or some climbing gear that I would put here. Right now my climbing gear is in the back over there. I have some kite surfing stuff there, my board, and I have a lot of toys, just a lot of playing balls here, all my camping gear as well, and some wetsuit as well, and yeah, a lot of toys to have fun in there. That's the garage.
Next up is Braden and Holly's schoolie build, where they have one of the most unique bus sizes we've ever seen. And they're able to bring all of their toys with them wherever they go. Take a look.
So at the back of the bus, we wanted to have a nice big garage space. We have a lot of toys, whether that's bikes, boards, skateboards, surfboards, all that stuff. And then I also have a lot of tools. The bus isn't actually completely done. There's quite a few things I still want to do. So I've been hauling around some extra lumber and all the tools I need to do that basically from the ground up. Yeah, even for the mechanics of the bus and stuff too. So in here, I've got my bike, I've got both of Holly's and my skateboards. We've got a Sabrosa rail, which is just basically a rail we can set up anywhere if we don't have a place to go ride. We usually have our surfboards and stuff in here too, but the place we're staying has a spot where we're storing them. So yeah, but nice and open. I have the ability to crawl in here, and I've got lights that are meant to be installed. But honestly, it's been really, really simple with the way it is, so we've kind of left it, and yeah.
A really cool idea we came across was from Cami. She actually has an exterior mount that holds her hammock, and she stores away in her fairly common garage space.
Hi, my name is Cami and I live full-time in my 2016 Ford Transit van, which is Monica. And also at the back, I have a wonderful feature. It's a hammock rack, which is also really wonderful to admire the view. So this is the garage space. It's like almost half of the bed size storage. I do have a lot also in there. So I have chairs, table, bug screen, which are really handy. I do have my inflatable paddleboard, woods, tools, extra jug of water. On that side, I also have a lot of shoes. I'm into running, so I like to have a different pair of shoes for different occasion. And on that side, we have the shower. I can hook up my shower to my propane. Currently, it's not hooked up to my water because it's still freezing during the night, so I don't want to take any chances, but this is really handy. I can set up a curtain in there and I can have like a shower with a little bit of privacy. And on the other side, this is my foldable ladder, which is really handy because I can like clean the snow on my solar panel on one side and like go up on the deck on the other side. So it's really nice to be able to move it around.
Bo and Yana set out to live in their van for over a year. And not only do they have a beautiful build, but they also were able to extend their garage space by using the exterior of their van. Take a look.
Hi, my name is Yana.
And I'm Bo.
And this is our van Ace Ventura, and you can follow us on Go Chase Dreams.
Okay, so welcome to the garage space in the van. It's a little bit of a mess like most people's, but this is key to our survival in a van because we're able to store so much stuff back here. Over on this side, tucked in behind here, we have our battery system, and we have 405-hour lithium ion battery. So that's 420 amp hours of lithium, which is really, really fantastic. And that powers everything we need in the van, including our inverter. And we have a 3,000 watt Victron inverter. Over on this side, we have a 40-gallon water tank under here. And it's quite narrow and thin, but it balances kind of well with the weight of the batteries on that side. At the back, we also have a little outdoor shower. So if you've been surfing or paddleboarding at the beach and you want to wash off sand or any gear before you put it in the back, this is a great little shower to have. We have all of our camping equipment, and most importantly, I have my tool bag, and I can't tell you how often I have to fix little things in the van that break. So this is an essential part of van life, to have a proper tool bag that's easily accessible.
That's it for this week's video, but before you go, make sure you're subscribed. And if you haven't yet seen this video on our DIY tech upgrades, make sure you do, because remember Cami earlier with the hammock? Well, she actually has a really unique design that she uses for her solar setup. Make sure you take a look at that. Until next time, safe travels.